What's up, everybody? Brian here at Attention to Details in Chesterton. Today is Wednesday. Just a quick recap just to get some footage out and show you guys what's going on. We got the Plaid S in for a full wrap of the Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion. This is getting ready to be started probably tomorrow. Then we got another Tesla here that we're getting ready to do some window tint on it and a few other things. And we just finished up with this Tesla 2020, I think it's a 21 on this one. Model 3 Performance. We did an interior detail and then a heavy wash and decon on this one and got it cleaned up. This customer is in the process. He just bought a new one and it's coming to us for a full stealth wrap, so stay tuned for that. Inside we've got lots going on. I just don't want to open the doors right now because of all this cottonwood. It looks like it's snowing because we try to keep everything there as clean as possible, but we got several jobs going on in there. 2022 Porsche Cayenne being fully wrapped in Expel. 2023 new Porsche 911 Turbo S. We're doing a full frontal and rockers. That'll be leaving tomorrow. We've already got footage on it, but we'll shoot it again tomorrow before it leaves. And a couple other things going on. So we just wanted to give you guys a quick recap. If you need anything, have any questions, want to get quotes, 219-628-0288. As always, love and happiness, peace.